Hello friends, I am Anson Thomas here from Mumra Police Station, a voice for the voiceless. We had gone and met the police authorities over here. This is regarding one Santosh. He was beaten up in Diva and his hand was fractured. He had done his medical and he came to the police station to file his FIR. But only an NC was taken, which is totally wrong. And today, the people from the community came to meet the police officials and they are saying we will look into it. And we will see if there is something which has to be done. But all those people who are there, they said the FIR should be filed or we will get in touch with the higher authorities. How is it possible that that a person's hand is fractured and medical is done and you go to the police and you're saying we will see, FIR should be filed. And this is the main point that all those people who met the police are saying. It looks that there is something much more than what the eye can see, and the police are under pressure not to file FIR against those antisocial and all those people who are doing such type of a thing. To pray, it is not a sin. You can carry your Bible with you wherever you go. You have got your right under the Constitution and you have got your religious freedom to preach, and today that is being curtailed today. The Allahabad High Court recently in 2023 in a judgment, double bench judgment, has said it's not wrong to distribute Bibles and also to teach people on good moral things. And the Allahabad High Court had come strongly against the UP anti-conversion bill. So here too, such type of things are happening to make it into a big this, so that there is conversion and all those things happening. And finally, when you go to the police are not taking action. What does this mean? We want the police, if we have done something wrong, action should be taken against us. If we have forced anyone into any other religion, you take action against those people. But then when people take law into their own hands, we have got all the right to come to the police and to see that action is taken against those people. They cannot take law in their own hands. So here there is the whole people who have come over here at the Mumra police station, and once again a voice for the voiceless from Mumra police station. Thank you and shalom.